trees, all of those things, everything that is around is a witness this morning. And so this morning I am saying unto you, it is not a joking matter. No. It is not as I run out, then you run in. Yes. It is not something like that. When you marry, you make a commitment. Yes. Praise His holy name. Yes. And you decide that you're going to live because the marriage vow said, for better, for worse, yes. For richer, for poorer, until death do us part. And I am saying unto you this morning, yes. It is until death. Yes. Not until me see something where draw and entice me high, and then me tell him say, goodbye, me can't stay no longer with you. You make a commitment with him this morning, yes. That you're going to continue with him. Yes. So therefore, no let him down. Don't write a bill of divorcement. Praise His holy name. Praise His holy name. Praise His holy name.
Praise His holy name.
It is because of His mercy. Yes. Why you have the privilege to stand here this morning. Yes. His mercy has been extended. Yes. And I realize that some of you are young. Some of you are in middle age. Yes. And some of you are old. But I am saying, no matter the category you are in, He's able to keep you. Praise His holy name.
Praise His holy name.
When I look at Grandma this morning, she could be here, you know, out there, and have the tobacco in her job, you know. You never know that.
Praise His holy name.
She could have the glass, and she feel nice in the rum bar. That's so. And she don't know her age.
Praise His name.
I look at this young man. He could be one of them out there slinging the gun, you know. Yes. Because it's dear here to do all of the little killing, you know. Bless His holy name.
Praise His holy name.
Yahvah rescued.
Yes.
Praise His holy name. And when I look across here, have mercy. They could find themselves, you know, in some places of amusement this morning.
Glory.
Feel good. Nobody like me. But thanks be to Yahvah. Yahvah rescue you. Yes. Bless His holy name. He have a better place for you. Yes. And He promised, where I am, you will be also.
Wonderful.
He never helped you. That as you stand here to go down into the world, may Father help you to center your heart and your mind unto Him. And I know He's able to carry it through. Praise His holy name. At this time,